This is huge, guys. This is very huge. The Google Maps pin scam. This can affect you big time. This I just had to add into the news. Okay. Understand how this deceptive practice affects rankings and learn the safe way. So, what's going on? There's a scam going on now in the world of Google Maps and Google Business Profile. Competitors can move Google Maps pins to a new location, which can negatively impact rankings. That's a tough one. This has been happening for several months and impacted many Google Business Profile listings. It's easy for scammers to just make this change using the suggest and edit. So if you go to Google Business, you can see where it says suggest and edit, where you can go in there and suggest an edit about the business. Apparently, scammers are using it. I mean, anyway, this could really impact you. So, suggest an edit feature on a Google Business Profile and then edit the map location. So, they'll just go here and move it. As you can see here, they would just go in and move your maps. And that could just totally mess with your SEO. Why is this a problem for you? Google doesn't notify the owners and managers of the GBP listing that the map pin was moved. So it's not like you get a notification that says, hey, somebody moved your maps pin. So you could be just chilling for weeks and just looking at stuff going down and not knowing that it's your map locations pin that got moved. So if you've been hit by this scam, I would simply go into your Google Business Profile to reposition your pin as soon as possible. So right now, the best way to fix it, they have it actually on Search Engine Land. That's where we're getting this news from. The best way to fix it is to click the Suggest and Edit button on the Google Business Profile, change the name or other details, click Edit Map Location, drag the map until the pin is in the correct location, and then save. This is huge. You have to look, you have to verify, so as soon as possible, go look and make sure that your pin is reflecting your address so it's not affecting your SEO, at least where you do business. That's a big one.